Hello friends, what's going on? This is Eric, your crypto guy, and this is Thursday. Happy Thursday, everybody. And today we're going back to the Future Trade. The Future Trade is a great company. They've been around for over 2 years, delivering and paying out with no problems for over 2 years, and things are just looking great. And so today I'm gonna show you, today's Thursday, and Thursday is the revenue wallet withdraw. So as you can see, I have here in my revenue wallet $63.60, and also in my service wallet, which I can withdraw every day. This is the builder side. That means if you decide to share this with your friends, family, people you know, and they invest in the program, you can of course earn on their behalf as well. Today I'm going to show how I'm going to withdraw from my revenue wallet. So all I need to do basically is go over to withdraw, and I go to revenue wallet, and here the minimum withdraw on USDT, since I invested in USDT on the TRC network, TRC20, I can withdraw USDT. So what you need to do is basically supply your wallet address. I already did that. So this is my address, the amount I want to withdraw. So I'll put in 63.60. Okay, and I put in my secret key, and I will once I submit, I will get another confirmation another security checkup, which I'll get code to my email. So I will submit, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my one-time password to my email, and I paste it here, and I will submit. And here we go. Now this will take I would assume 10-15 minutes. You can see here an alert that I got. Revenue wallet withdrawal is processed, and once it's confirmed, I'll be right back, and I will show you how it landed inside my wallet. Okay, while we're waiting, I have to state that I'm not a financial advisor, and never risk what you can't afford to lose, please. Okay, so also one thing I need to tell you, that on every withdrawal, the company takes 6% admin fee. This is part of their profits as well, which is okay. And still waiting on here. And once it landed, I will show you that it landed in my wallet. So what I'll do meanwhile, I'll go withdraw, and I'll withdraw my service wallet as well. So on my service wallet, I have 94.41, and so what I will do, I will paste my wallet address again. Okay, and again my secret key. This is an extra security layer, and once I do that, I will receive to my email a one-time password, which is another security layer. So the company's really they want to take care of us and make sure that we won't get hacked. So they're adding security layers to all of this. Oh, I need to put the amount here. Sorry, 94. I'll just put 94, and I'll do submit. And I'll be waiting for my email. Right back. Okay, Got my email confirmation, and I submit. Okay, so I submitted this withdrawal as well. Now it says here again, minimum withdrawal is $15. Minimum withdrawal for Ethereum and Tether USDT is $50. Okay, so I had over $50 on both. And like I told you before, the admin fee is 6% on withdrawals. So all we have to do is wait. So here we go. Revenue wallet already landed, and I'll go here to my wallet, and here you go. Today's date, August 4th, 2022. Received in my local time at 1 p.m. That took about 15 minutes, and I had $63 something on my revenue wallet, and they subtracted 6%. I'm left with 59.77. So all we have to do now is wait for the service wallet, and I'll show you how that lands. So here we go. Service wallet landed as well. As you can see, service wallet approved, $94. And I'll go to my wallet again. Here we go. That came in 15 minutes later at 1:15. Amount 88.36. This was subtracted 6% from the $94. So this is what I'm left it with. And here we go. The future trade. They promise, they deliver over 2 years. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Also hit the bell so you get notified any new content I'm loading up to the YouTube channel. And also on the YouTube description, if you like what you saw and want to join me and my team, use my link and enjoy 1.4% daily, Monday through Friday. Have a nice weekend, and I will see you soon.